Start off by boiling some almonds for about a minute or two. Strain them and put them in an ice bath. The ice bath makes it so easy to peel. Look, one already has peeled itself. So yeah, you pretty much just want to squeeze one end of the almond, and then as you can see, yes, just squeeze one side and then it's gonna come right out. So you want to go ahead and do this for all of the almonds. It's not as time consuming as it seems. Soak them in some water and put them in the fridge overnight. Add the almonds, obviously, some water, some olive oil, salt, 1 clove of garlic, and 1 lemon, and a blender, of course. And just blend it. So you're gonna need a nut bag or a cheesecloth. You just want to wrap the nut bag around the bowl and just go ahead and put all your cheese mixture inside. Squeeze as much as you can. I take my time with this, so it takes me about 10 minutes, but you can squeeze as much or as little as you want. So this step is optional. I'm gonna go ahead with the nut bag and just put it in the container and put it in the fridge overnight one more time. You're gonna get a good amount of liquid sauce from this, which you can use for rice bowls, tacos, and as dressings, and it's actually really good. Ta-da! You got some amazing cheese. So this almond cheese slices so easily. It's perfect for sandwiches, homemade pizza, which I have a gluten-free vegan recipe in the description for you. For wraps, on sweet potatoes, oh my goodness, it's great on sweet potatoes. It's a little bit of a process, but it's like a 2-for-1, so I think it's worth it. Alright, now let's make some cashew cheese. This is a lot easier. What you'll need is a food processor or a blender, cashews that have been soaked for 2 or more hours, water, lemon, and a little bit of salt. Now just add in all the ingredients. If you want the cheese to be more solid, then just add less water, like a tablespoon or 2. If you want it to be more like a cheese sauce, then just add the amount of water that's listed down in the description. And just blend it for a couple minutes. When it looks like this, you're all done. Put it in a container and it's good in the refrigerator for like 3 to 5 days. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. God bless. Bye bye.